Let's round up the latest from Maharashtra. It is, remember, the worst hit state by COVID-19 in the country. There's been a rise in cases, but Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has said that imposing lockdown again in the state is not necessary. Instead, he's requested people to stay indoors, to follow COVID norms like wearing masks as well as following social distancing norms. Uddhav further added that the state is at a critical juncture. Thus, controlling the unnecessary movement in the state is crucial. He thanked citizens of Maharashtra for following all norms amid festivities. Maharashtra, remember, has reported in all over 17,80,000 COVID cases so far, with more than 81,500 active cases and over 46,000 deaths. Mumbai has reported 1,135 new cases in the last 24 hours.
जण मला सुचवतात की पुन्हा एकदा रात्रीचा कर्फ्यू लावा. ठीक आहे, अजूनही माझं म्हणणं असं आहे की सगळ्या गोष्टी कायदे करून काही होत नाहीत आणि सगळ्या बाबतीत कायदे करण्याची गरज नसते. अनावश्यक ठिकाणी जाऊ नका, आवश्यक नसेल तर घराबाहेर पडू नका आणि लक्षणं दिसली तर ताबडतोबीने स्वतःवरती उपचार करून घ्या किंबहुना चाचणी जरूर करून घ्या.
Mustafa Sheikh is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. Mustafa, good morning. What really is the situation on the ground? You know, going by the situation, particularly in markets, is there a need for a lockdown? And is that something the government is looking at least in places of Mumbai?
Good morning, Akshita. Well, there is in fact a rising fear even among the administration and among the citizens that there can be a night curfew or lockdown in Mumbai also. Because what is happening is that if you see around Mumbai, which is Surat, Ahmedabad, or there is regular travelling of thousands of people from Delhi, Mumbai. So it is not far that the numbers would still be rising in Mumbai also. If you see the numbers of the positive cases which are coming up on a daily basis in Mumbai, in 18th of November, it was 871 positive cases. Now, yesterday it was 1092. So there has been a gradual increase in the cases in the last 4 days, the data which we are seeing, and also the 19 deaths took place due to COVID yesterday in Mumbai. So there is a rising fear. There is that's why if you see Chief Minister's speech yesterday, there was a lot of concern in the speech. What he was saying that I don't want to put in restrictions because it affects the economy, but at the same point of time, the people should realize the kind of critical juncture we are standing at, and wearing masks, maintaining social distancing, avoiding crowds can make help us a lot, because even the health administration is stressed for last 8 months, and if they have to fight another wave, they will also be a lot of burden. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, thank you for joining us with those details. We'll have to see really what the administration does. That is the situation in Maharashtra. What about Gujarat, where a night curfew was imposed in 4 districts of Gujarat because of the rise in COVID cases? It's currently battling over 13,000 active cases. Here's a ground report.
पॉजिटिव केस सामने आए हैं और
सत्तावन घंटे के कर्फ्यू के बाद एक बार फिर जिंदगी अब सामान्य होती हुई दिख रही है। हालांकि कोविड अभी गया नहीं है। लोगों को ये कहा जा रहा है कि वो मास्क पहने। आप देख सकते हैं सड़कों पे जो ट्रैफिक है वो आम दिनों की तरह ही यहाँ पे दिख रहा है। अहमदाबाद के कांकरिया पे हम मौजूद हैं और यहाँ पे सुबह के वक्त में कई सारे लोग मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए आते हैं। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं जो मॉर्निंग वॉक करने वाले लोग हैं वो भी यहाँ पे, लेकिन आप भी लोग सुधर नहीं रहे हैं। आप देख सकते हैं बिना मास्क के ही लोग यहाँ पे घूम रहे हैं, क्योंकि कोरोना का काल चल रहा है। लोगों को बोला गया है कि वो मास्क पहने जब तक वैक्सीन नहीं आता है। बावजूद उसके लोग बिना मास्क के ही यहाँ पे घूमते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। हालांकि सरकार की ओर से 57 घंटे का कर्फ्यू रखा गया। उसके बाद अब आज रात से रात को 9 बजे से लेकर सुबह 6 बजे तक ही रात्रि कर्फ्यू भी रहेगा, लेकिन लोगों के लिए ये ज़रूरी है कि वो मास्क पहने, कोरोना की गंभीरता को समझे।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.